Before applying, make sure your hands and touchscreen surface are clean. First, use the wipe to clean the screen. Remove any remaining debris left on the screen with a microfiber cloth. Use the dust removal sticker to clean any remaining debris on the device. Slowly pull back the plastic covering on the back of the screen protector. Then lower the screen protector onto the surface of the touchscreen device. Allow the screen protector to settle on the surface of the touchscreen device. Take the application squeegee and push down evenly on the screen protector to remove any air bubbles. Use the microfiber cloth to remove any final air bubbles at the edges. Your screen is now protected with a Kastus 24/7 antiviral surface protection. To discover more, visit Kastus.com.